suffer from what they call hives. No, common word po yan sa medical term na urticaria, kung familiar kayo. Yan po yung makakating bumps sa skin na totally sa buong katawan po natin. No? Tapos, medyo mainit, very uncomfortable kasi bukod sa makati siya, mainit din siya sa katawan. No? So, for how many years na nagsasuffer po ako due to, minsan pag sobrang mainit, sobrang malamig yung panahon, no? Nagkakaroon po ako ng urticaria attack. Okay? So, napakamahal. No? Sino po dito ang nakaranas ng mga skin problems? Napakamahal po ng gamot. Either topical man yan or oral medicine. So, when I met Atomy, yung pamangkin ko also suffered from this urticaria, talagang severe. And did you know that there is a product in Atomy na sobrang malaking tulong, particularly, sabi nga po nila sa skin problem po kanina, no? Yung ating Atomy Probiotics. Alam nyo po, just a sachet of probiotics and hemohim, totally yung inflammation talagang bumaba. So I continuously let my niece to use the Atomy Probiotics and Hemohim for 1 year without even taking any medicine or topical. No? So imagine that, how yung hindi na nagagasgas yung ating bulsa sa napakamahal ng gamot. And this is just a recent also personal experience of my son, nung time na pinacircumcise ko siya. So I didn't know na meron pala siyang allergy sa antibiotic, particularly the amoxicillin. So when time nagkaroon siya ng circumcision, nagkaroon po siya ng severe allergy as in buong katawan. Namamaga po, including yung eyes niya. Tapos may kasamang fever. So I asked yung surgeon niya, what will be our option? Kasi kailangan mag-antibiotic ng anak ko. Pero wala po akong ibang naging option kasi lahat po ng antibiotic may kasamang amoxicillin. But did you know kung anong product ng Atomy ang nakatulong po sa anak ko without even taking antibiotic? It's only the Atomy Probiotics and Vitamin C. After 2 weeks, nag-heal po totally yung sugat ng anak ko. And up to now, my son is not taking any antibiotic. Only inalagaan ko lang po siya ng probiotics. So we are very fortunate, no? One thing, bakit may reason na nandito tayo? Hindi po ito, it's actually a blessing to us. Kasi many people, they're actually looking for answers, no? Doon sa mga health issues nila, pero hindi nila alam ang kanilang gagawin. But tayo as Atomians, we know for a fact, lalo na kung lago tayong uma-attend ng seminar, alam natin how we address those particular health problems. No? So palakpakan po natin yung sarili natin na nandito po tayo. Once again, I am Diamond Master. Thank you for listening to my personal testimony.
Thank you so much, Diamond Master.